Hey YouTube, it's your boy CJ Make Moves, man. We making moves all 2021, all 2022, man. Y'all know this, man. Look, today's video for to be I guess vlog. I don't know if you want to call it vlog or not, but basically my first time installing the window, man. So for be my first time installing the window, I just want to take y'all along with me so y'all can see how it is and like the experience and stuff like that. Y'all can experience what I'm experiencing. You know, and y'all can just see like life as me as an 18-year-old construction worker, how hard it is, and all the stuff you gotta do, and like how frustrating it is, and why so many people don't want to do construction my age. So yeah, I'm finna just take y'all along with me, man. We finna have a good, positive day. We finna get into it, man. We finna tee up. Y'all already know what it is. We making moves all 2021, all 2022, man. Y'all know what it is, man. So yeah, for to take y'all along with me. Unfortunately, man, I don't have any footage of me taking out the window, so y'all, I'll greatly apologize. So we go just dive right into it. No waiting. We go just dive right into it, and I'm gonna be explaining what's going on and all that. Yeah, so before we get into that, man, I just want to say I appreciate all 81, 83, 84 y'all for subscribing, man. I was just at 15 last month. Y'all don't know how much that mean to me, man. It's a lot of more potential in us and my channel, and like just all y'all, like, man, I appreciate all y'all, man. I love y'all. I would really give y'all all 84 y'all a kiss right now if I could, but I can't. So man, yeah, man, we finna tee up. I'm finna show y'all how to install this window, so let's get into it, baby. Alright, so as I explained, guys, I don't have any footage of me taking out the window physically, but the window is out, right? So basically what we're doing right now, we're taking measurements of the opening and of the window to see what it'll be able to fit. And as usual in construction, nothing never fits. So basically we're trying to figure out a solution to where we can make the window fit, and our solution was basically to grind down the bottom of the concrete to give it some room to fit flush and smooth. So that's basically what we're doing right here. That's basically what me and Pops are doing. As you can see, I'm measuring the window. So yeah, man, let's get into it. Y'all make sure y'all wear the proper equipment. I don't do that because we black. Alright, so guys, as you can see, man, I finished grinding out all of the concrete. Now I got the chisel in. I'm just for the chisel out all the bottom. Chisel it out real good, make it look flat and smooth. And then after that, we go just do a dry fit on the window. So y'all, let's get it. Alright, so guys, basically I got me and Pops right here. We doing a dry fit on the window. As you know, man, nothing ever really fits in construction. So as you know, man, the window didn't fit. So we gotta shave down some of the sides as well as some of the top, so the window will be able to be a smooth and flush fit. So that's basically what we're doing right now. We're just doing a dry fit. So yeah, man, we for the shade down the sides. So yeah, let's get into it. smooth it down. We did the drop fit. This how the window looking right now. Now what I'm about to do, I'm about to basically use a hammer drill, put in some concrete bits so it can hold the window in, and then after I'm on court, yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I do as an 18-year-old construction worker. Alright, so guys, before y'all put them screws in, you want to make sure everything is level. You want to make sure you slot that level on that window and make sure it's level, man. You don't want to be doing no not professional work. You want to be professional and formal, man. Make sure you level it. And what the tape is for, man, the tape is just so it just be a easier clean up process. You feel me? Say anything, Pops? Anything you want to say?
Yeah, boy, y'all ain't stuck on that window.
Well, we ain't stuck on the window. Messed it up a little bit, but hey, we gonna get it done. Y'all tell me how it's looking. You know what I'm saying? It took a little minute, but I think it looked pretty good. It was my first time installing the window, and you know, it's more to come, more money to be made. So. Yeah, if y'all want to learn how to do anything else, y'all type down in the comment box below. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, repost, share my video, because I'm trying to get paid, to be honest. But yeah, man, CJMAKESMOVE and I'm gone.